And now we are joined over the phone by Professor Iman, Director of Remote Sensing Center, Egyptian Meteorological Authority. Good afternoon, Mrs. Iman. Good afternoon. So, Mrs. Iman, what the meteorological conditions led to the sudden and intense storm in Alexandria?
The formation of the storm was because a deep low pressure system in the upper air of atmosphere, which led to the formation of thunderstorm, especially with CG clouds. And this was in the end of spring and near the beginning of summer, with rising temperature in the Mediterranean Sea. The sea surface temperature is very high, about to 28 Celsius. And the significant temperature difference between surface and upper atmosphere, 500 hectopascal, reaching to about minus 15 degrees.
And in your opinion, why is Alexandria particularly vulnerable to coastal storms and weather abnormalities?
Alexandria city is a unique city. It's character more. It's exposed to the Mediterranean Sea, and Alexandria city have many population in a large amount of population. Especially Alexandria in the Mediterranean Sea coastal, combined by low pressure from Europe and the Mediterranean Sea, and also Alexandria have ancient city, and we didn't have infrastructure to develop many have a heavy rain and a large amount of precipitation in few times.
And in what ways is this storm a warning sign for future climate abnormalities?
This is very good question. I was to detect this question because the climate change affects all the cities, not only the Alexandria city. In the summer of 2024, especially Aswan was witnessed flash floods in August, and this big rules to climate change and extreme weather. Also, what happened in Darna, Libya in 2023 is very deep depression affected Darna and Libya, and more than 10,000 deaths of citizens. This is very bad to climate change.
So you believe that the reason behind these weather abnormalities is climate change?
Yes,
and global warming.
Change and global warming. Global warming leads to more increase in the temperature of Mediterranean Sea, which reached to the maximum amount of temperature in the last year to 30 degrees, and this leads to severe depression over the Mediterranean Sea and affect all the countries over the Mediterranean Sea, and also lead to sea level rise in Alexandria and some cities in the coastal of Mediterranean Sea.
Yes, I'd like to thank you, Professor Iman, Director of Remote Sensing Center, Egyptian Meteorological Authority. Thank you for being with us. And moving to sports news, and President Fattah al-Sisi extended his sincere congratulations to the Pyramids FC team and Egyptian sports fans on the historic achievements of winning the CAF Champions League for the first time in its history. He said this victory embodies the spirit of determination and perseverance